Okay, friends, this is real talk today. This is going to be one of those videos where I give you a little bit of the reseller smackdown. So after doing, hundreds of Poshmark closet reviews over the last however many years I've been running them, I see the same mistakes over and over again. And, it's photos or description or this or that. But one of the biggest mistakes that people make overall is that they want these big results. I want to make $2,000 a month reselling part-time. I want to be a full-time reseller, whatever. But they're not willing to make the most basic investments that will give that to them. They just won't do it, and I don't know why. So today we're going to talk about some of these very basic investments that I feel like if you just made them, you would reap the rewards in your reselling business. And so my plea to you is just stop being cheap and invest in your reselling business already. So let's get into it. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So, again, just have in your mind, like, I make $200 a month and I want to make $2,000 a month. This is the person I'm talking to. It could be, I make 500, I want to make 3,000 or whatever it is. But if you're not where you want to be and you're a person that hasn't made these investments, I'm talking to you. So first of all, we have this unrealistic expectation out there that anybody can be a reseller and all you have to do is just take some photos and snap some things and poof, you're like the girl in the Poshmark commercial where she goes to get the mani-pedi with, I don't know, her mom or her friend or whoever, but all she has to do is open up her closet, snap a few photos, and boom, there it is. And they want you to think it's that easy, but it's not that easy. Like, yes, that could happen. You could take your Louis Vuitton bag, poof, make the listing, poof, sell it, and poof, go get your mani-pedi. Like, that can happen. But we're not out there trying to do that. We're trying to make like a steady, reliable part-time income so we can pay off debt, we can cover our bills, we can save for a vacation, we can maybe quit our job and just do this. Like, whatever you're trying to do out there with your reselling as a side hustle, we have to go past that stereotype because that is unrealistic. We have to do some things. And one of the basic little investments that I think is probably the most crucial thing that I see, in the Poshmark closet reviews that I do, is that people don't spend less than $1 per day for an unlimited sales army. Why? I don't know why. And what do I mean? I mean Posher VA. Posher VA, and I'm here to sing from the rooftops till all of the resellers out there on Poshmark sign up for Posher VA. Because I have tested many, many, many Poshmark automations out there. There's Poshmark free tools, there's free Poshmark automations, there are paid Poshmark automations, there's all different types of things out there, and I have tested them all. And nothing compares to the functionality that you get from Posher VA for the price that you get it for. It is insane. So Posher VA costs $25 a month. That's less than $1 per day. It does all of my sharing, all of my automatic offer to likers, all of my waterfall offer to likers, all of my price dropping, all of my price increasing, all of my relisting. It does everything for me. And it is a breeze to use. It is super easy, and I just can't say enough good things about it. And people still say, oh no, I'm good with the free one. I'm good with this one. I'm good with not having one. I do it myself. Everything's fine. There's no way that you can do all of the things that Posher VA can do for you because you're not up in the middle of the night sharing your closet. You're not in the middle of the night or when you're at work or when you're at your kid's baseball practice or whatever. You're not sending out offers 3 minutes after somebody liked an item. You're not doing that. I know you're not. There's no way that you can do all the sharing, all the offering that Posher VA can do for you if you just set it up and pay the money. So just pay the money. So it's, like I said, it's $25 a month. And if you do pay for it and you're not utilizing all the features, that's almost just as bad. So if you're not sure like how to use everything, let me know what questions you have. I have several videos about all of my Posher VA setups. But use my code, you get 20% off. Code is Rebecca the Reseller, link is down below. Get Posher VA. They even offer you a free trial. Do that. And if you're saying, I don't make that much, I can't afford to spend that, you can't afford not to. You're out there saying, I want to sell used crap on the internet to other people, but yet you won't make the most basic investment of less than $1 per day. What are you trying to do? Like, don't you want to make more than $1 per day? I'm out there making hundreds of dollars a day. So I'm fine to spend $1 per day for my unlimited sales army. I don't understand why people won't do it. If you are one of those people that won't do it, please tell me why. Please help me understand. Let me know in the comments why you won't do it, because I just don't understand it. So that's rant number one. The next rant is ring lights and a photo backdrop paper, because I see the items on the floor. I see the items on the bed. I see the items with a white sheet hanging up, but it's all wrinkled and hanging and weird. I see the item hanging in the bathroom. I see the item hanging on the, wardrobe door, like every cockamamie thing. You think that you deserve my $30 or $50 or whatever, but you won't even set up the most basic photography setup to make the experience professional. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. I just don't understand how people have the balls out there to say, I want to make $2,000 a month on Poshmark as a part-time reseller, but I am not willing to do the basic investments that the job requires. The job requires that you showcase the item in a presentable way, bright light so that they can see all of the item and make sure that there's no stains or rips or tears or discolorations or fabric runs or pilling or anything like that. And then it should be hanging up against a nice white background so that you can see the item and that it looks presented well. So a command hook, photo backdrop paper that's white that can hang up on your wall for years, just like mine, and 2 ring lights. That probably costs, give or take what you're gonna buy, $250. Now, I'm not saying that you have to decide you're a reseller today and then go out and make that $250 investment. I mean, some of you will, because you recognize that, like, I'm trying to make money at this, so I need to get the proper equipment so that I could go do the thing. Like, most people get that. But there are some people, because I talk to them all the time, who don't get that. They think that it's their right to just take some shitty photos, put a listing up, and make lots of money. They think that that's their right. They think that they don't have to make the investments that all of the other professional resellers make, and they think they can just get all the money. And I just don't see that. And I think that those people will lose, and they deserve to lose, because I'm over here invested in ring lights, invested in the photo backdrop paper. I have had this for years, like probably more than 5 years, this particular setup. 4 years, 5 years, I don't even know. And so what I did was the math. And so if you take $250 for the 2 ring lights, backdrop paper, and a command hook, and let's say it lasts you 3 years, which I know it would last you more than that, but let's just say it lasts 3 years, that puts you at 22 cents a day cost. So if you're not interested in spending 22 cents a day to make $50 a day, $30 a day, $100 a day, however much you're trying to earn per day, you should be able to spend 22 cents a day. Now, you might need to save up for it. Like maybe you know that your first, 100 sales, you're going to take $1 from each of those 100 sales and put it away and get one ring light and try to get that started, and then you're going to take your next 100 sales and put $1 away, and then you can get your next ring light. Like however you need to do it, save the money ahead of time, make a personal investment into your business, whatever it is, but stop being cheap and get the ring light, get the photo backdrop paper, and have a professional setup so that you can be a professional reseller. And then you get to command the money that you are hoping to make. Those are the people that make $2,000 a month, not people that throw the stuff on the floor. They don't make that kind of money because they don't deserve it. So tough love, I'm sorry, but you need your Posher VA to be your sales army. You are leaving sales on the table if you don't have it, and you need a proper setup. 2 ring lights, photo backdrop paper, and a command hook. That's it. And it will last you many years, many years. And so I think if you are that person that needed this little kick in the pants, I hope you will go and buy these things. I have links down below in my reseller resource guide for all this stuff. But the other investment that I think is another small investment that you could all benefit from, because many of you watching my channel, you probably do have these things. And if you're still listening, thank you. You do have Posher VA because you've listened to me. You do have your ring lights because you listened to me and you want to be a professional reseller and you're continuing to work toward that. The other small investment is in business tools and resources. And so if you haven't heard, I have my best value bundle. It's available in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. It includes all 4 of my courses, which is the Poshmark 30-day reboot, scale your Poshmark business with boutique, sell reseller boxes without a social media following, and Mercari Club, make $10,000 in 10 minutes a day on Mercari. 4 courses you get, plus all of my digital downloads. There's like at least 15 or 20 digital downloads in there, which includes the measurements forms that I use, my listing forms, my keywords list, sales phrases guide, my VA hiring bundle. Like there's so much good stuff in there, but I just added my AI prompt stuff. So I have a prompt to generate keywords and I have a prompt to generate modeled images in ChatGPT. And that I just added to the best value bundle. So the best value bundle is $20. Because I'm going to keep adding to it, you get all of those things for free once you buy it once. You pay $20 once, you get it for free. But in 2026, I am going to increase that price to $25 because of all the new adding that I'm doing. So if I were you, I would lock it in now, and then anything I add to it, you get for free. So that's the best value bundle. That would be the last investment that I would suggest that you make, so that you have all of these reseller tools super handy. So that's what I have for you today. I feel very strongly that people should stop being cheap. If you think you want to make sales on Poshmark, then you need to make some investments, and these are the things I think you should invest in. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.